Perfectly. It's snowing outside. Winter on the BoHo Bus. I'm standing in the living room where we last left the bus. We had exposed some of the metal floor. We're here. It's Sunday. It's snowing. And I have been watching a few YouTube videos on how to handle the ceiling and all these rivets. Like, part of me didn't want to take them out. Like, part of me doesn't want to take the ceiling out and re-insulate it. And part of me knows I need to. So I've been doing some research and we're going to try a few techniques out today. I'm not going to focus so much on the floor because it's snowing outside and I don't know how long we'll be here. Look at that. It's winter on the BoHo Bus. But we're going to try to get some work done today. Like I said, I did research and I found a few techniques on how we're going to do some things. And I'm not going to explain it really right now. I will explain it more later, especially if it's working. So yeah, we'll kind of see how things go. But welcome back. I'm so excited to get back to work. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Gosh, if only I was a little bit taller. Okay, so I went to Harbor Freight and got a few things so we could try to tackle these rivets a little bit. Yeah. And I'm learning that it's not fun. So I went and got a new hammer. Gonna hammer the shit out. I mean, we're gonna hammer this roof out. I got safety goggles because when I got the angle grinder I didn't get safety goggles and then there was like sparks flying everywhere, and luckily I have glasses on which are just about as big as these. Ooh. Very glary for the video, but hey, look. Ooh, I have protection now. I feel official. I feel good. So I got those. Let's see what else. So I was learning that for the rivets. Here, let me back up. Free batteries, Harbor Freight coupon for a purchase. I got a drill bit set for my new drill. I got a new blade for the angle grinder, a free work light because she let me do 2 transactions. And it's not even turning on. Sweet! We're gonna have to figure that one out later, but it's a little work light, which is pretty cool, especially because it was free. I love Harbor Freight. They're my favorite. And then I got a 3/16 for these rivets. So I'm gonna put this on my drill and then I'm going to go to town. Okay, and then we're gonna be doing some angle grinding on the wall to try to get the wall down. So I'm a little nervous. I'm really excited and we're gonna see how it goes. So we will see. Yay! Okay, so I already went around trying to use the drill to get screws out, and that was a big hole.
Now we're going to work on rivets.
And so we can do rivets. Because I already peeled one of my batteries, and so I've got a 3/16 drill bit. Here with my fresh battery. It's not that fresh, but woo! Okay, this is weird. Oh, there it goes. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think my issue was I was going in at an angle, and I don't think you saw that, but I popped the rivet out with this. Woohoo! Okay, so we're gonna work on that then and pop these bad boys out. Yay! All right. Alright, so I'm going to show you all those screws that were on here, but they just fell down. So yeah, both my batteries are pretty much dead now. But I just wanted to show you guys how it's coming. I got all of these out all by myself. That's kind of exciting. Up in there. So what I'm noticing is the 3/16 drill bit works great for this size of rivet. Whatever size rivet that is. Now I'm noticing that this size rivet is different than what's above it on the ceiling, which is these rivets. They're completely different size. And they are not, the 3/16 drill bit is not working to pop those rivets out. So I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board and probably look to see, like, am I using the wrong rivet? I think I might be.